Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot, but this knot means more to me than most of the others because this is a pretty significant one for me. This is the 2000th knot that I've tied in 6 years of tying tie knots. So that's hard to believe. I wouldn't believe it either if I didn't do it, but go check out my Simmonsessentials Instagram. You'll see them all there, or my Facebook, they're all there. I didn't create them all, thanks to a lot of guys, Linwood Darkus, Alex Krasny, Boris Mocha, Noel Junio, the Naughty Professor, Billy Johnson, Patrick Novotny. There's a lot more that I'm sure that I'm missing, but Chris Bingabing. But this is going to be my 2000th knot that I've tied, so we're going to name it the Y2K in honor of 2000. So here we go. I'm using 2 ties for this. Just seemed appropriate. Pick whatever colors you wanted to pick. 2 ties are going to be at the left side. Belt line area as usual. We're going to come over, put in a fold, bring it over to the center. We're going to come up and over like this with both of them. Leave them like this right here. Actually, I'm going to do this right here. Come across, and then we're going to go up and under with both of them. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold them both in half. And then this one, I'm just going to start like this. Come across like that. This one. Do the same thing on this side with it. Bring it through. It's folded in half. Take the tie. Bring it back like this. Come down. All right, so what you'll notice is I want to create a Y, kind of. Yeah, that looks more like a heart. I don't want it to look like a heart. Let me fold it back down. Let me just bring it through here again. Doesn't matter if it's folded or not. We're creating this as we go. Do the same over here. I want to keep that distinct. Come across like this. Just crisscross it. I'm going to run out of material with this top one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this one over here. So I've secured this one in place. Then I'm going to open this loop up again. Come back through it. Put this up like this, and I'm just gonna, I don't have any place to put it, so I'm just gonna do that. This is gonna be a thick knot, guys, so use a thick collar to do it. I don't think my collar's thick enough, but we're going big for Y2K here. So again, on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Check out this milestone knot. Maybe a Y right there. I don't know. It was supposed to be a Y. Some form of a Y. Check it out on Instagram. And the knots will keep coming, guys. So on your own side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.